Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, I was doing up a little document for my Patreon guys. I like to give them a little gift every so often, like a PDF with some really important information in it, all about properties and things like that. So if you want to join Patreon, go sign up, because every so often I do that and I give you a little extra content and things like that, and it's a lot of fun. It's a great group over there. In any case, I was thinking of something that really directly affects the price of your property, and it's kind of a hidden thing and not many people think about it. We thought about it because we were looking up in the Montepulciano area, and we were interested in a schoolhouse up there. Unfortunately, somebody got it before we did, and the zoning was different, and we were like, okay, what does that mean? What does it cost to rezone? Can you rezone? What are the transfer taxes if you're buying a place like that? And that's a very, very good question, because depending on what category a house or a property is zoned as, your transfer taxes could be a lot more than you think. For example, agricultural land is not taxed at your normal 9% for your second home or 2% for your primary home. In Italy, it's taxed at 15%. And luxury homes, houses that are categorized and zoned as luxury, and those will be in the cadastral plans. That's not something you can look at a house and go, oh yes it is or it isn't. It is categorized as that in the cadastral records. That's the place that you're going to find out that information, and that's something for your agent and even your notaio to get for you before you even start negotiating. It's so important. You don't want to get this at the last minute where you're ready to go into the signing, you paid the compromise, you've done all that stuff, and you find out, guess what, your transfer taxes are way more. Another thing is new builds. The transfer taxes for new builds and luxury properties are not based on the cadastral value, they are based on the market value, which is generally a lot more. And for new builds, it's 22% as well. So those are things you want to find out right away before you even start signing anything. What is the property categorized, and how much are those transfer taxes in your specific case? So there you go, guys. Hope that helps. See you soon.